Okay, so I'm coming on real quick to do an unboxing of some products that I just received, and I'm super excited about these products, and I've been waiting a long time for them. So I got my box today, and this is the Melanin Hairline from Natural 85, sorry. I've been following her for years, ever since I've been natural, ever since I went natural. She was one of the first YouTubers to do a lot of natural DIY products. She was the first YouTuber to introduce me to um, certain products that she bought from the stores, but I mostly enjoy her DIYs. So when she decided to come out with a product line, I had to support. So I pre-ordered it back in November. So it's February right now, and I'm just receiving it, but I'm excited. Unfortunately, right now I have in some Folax, so I won't be able to try it out yet, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of what comes in the box and everything. So first you get this card, and basically it's just saying, hey, what's up, guys, like she always do in her videos, and just kind of talk about everything that it took for her to come out with this line. And it has all her contact information and the website and all that stuff. It's super cute card. And then it has this card as well, and it's basically the same thing, but it's just a different card. I think these are really cute and a nice little touch to put inside of your package. And then you have the packaging of what you ordered. So what I did order, I did 2 of the twisting creams. It is Melanin Twist Elongate and Style Cream. Long lasting definition, no sulfates, paraben, mineral oils, and other things. It's with shea butter and other natural oils. So it literally has no smell. It smells slightly like shea butter, and it is very light. It reminds me of like a whipped shea. It's really lightweight, but I can feel already it's moisturizing and nice. So this is a whipped shea butter. I'm most positive, because just like every other shea, you can use this on your body and your hair. But it's 16 fluid ounces. You get a lot of product, and it has a list of ingredients on here, how to use it, and basically what it is for. So I'm excited for this. So I got 2 of those, and then I also got 2 of the oils. And the reason why I bought 2 of everything is just in case I love it, I don't want to have to wait and reorder it. I want to have it on hand. So this is the Melanin Multi-Purpose Pure Oil Blend, and it has boba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E, and other oils in here, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, it has a list of oils. Sweet almond oil, which I love in my hair. Avocado oil, jojoba oil. It has a list of all the oils that's in here. This actually comes with a stopper thing, because I tried to smell it earlier. Let's see if this has a smell. This does have a slight smell. It smells very... So this is a twist off cap. It comes off, so that's cool. And it's a nice squeeze bottle. It's like a lightweight smell. It smells super soft. So this is supposed to be a lightweight, easy absorbent oil. Not too greasy and not too heavy. So from it being in my hands, it absorbed well. It's not, yeah, it leaves a shine, but it's not too greasy. So yeah, and then what else comes in a box? You get a Melanin Strawberry Taffy. Oh, cool. And it just has her logo, the name of the company, and it's like, that's cute. So you get a little taffy in your box. And yeah, that's all that comes into the box. So I'm excited to try these products. This was just an unboxing. Tell you how much each thing costs. So this, I believe, was, it doesn't have it on here, the pricing that I spent for it, but I think this was like, both of them were like $16 or $17 a piece. So you get a lot of product for $17, I think. So yeah, when I do try it, I'll come back with an update or a review of the actual product, but that was just the unboxing, and I'm excited for it. Thank you, Whitney, and keep up the good work.